Celebrating over 150 years, BASF has employees around the globe that teach hands-on, inquiry-based science to our youth. BASF creates chemistry for a sustainable future.
Welcome to Science Club with BASF. I'm Lily. I'm here with Jane Stewart from BASF. Today, we're going to use cabbage to test the pH of different solutions around the home. Let's put on our safety gear and get started.
We need a chemical called an indicator to determine if something is an acid or a base. Red cabbage actually contains an indicator pigment called flavin.
Here's a list of all the materials you'll need. Let's get started.
We've already boiled the cabbage ahead of time and strained out the pulp, leaving a clear liquid that's purple. This is our indicator solution.
When testing, the color of the liquid will change depending upon the pH.
We can test various household items with our indicator using a fresh cup for each. Let's test baking soda. Do you think it's an acid or a base?
It's turning blue. It's a base.
Great! Now let's try vinegar. Acid or base?
Red. It's an acid. Go to abc11.com/science club for the complete instructions on this experiment. Test some items in your home, then visit us on Facebook to share your results. Thanks for watching Science Club with BASF.